this is G from Outlier Automation. I'm here at the Staubli open house down in Southern California, and I'm here with Michael from Schunk, and he is going to show me some stuff for robotic and end-of-arm tooling. You got a bunch of stuff here. So like, what's the most interesting thing?
I think that this product is the most interesting. This is our EGU, which is our universal gripper. It has a servo motor, gearbox, drive, communication, encoder, and jaws for long strokes and long fingers. It has field bus connections on it. It comes with a Modbus port on the basic one that would be serviced by the tool port of the robot, or some higher end communication protocols like EtherCAT, Ethernet IP, and Profinet. Grippers that give you advantages of no air, long reach, positioning, and force control.
Okay, and why is that needed in the market now? Like, I mean, traditionally we're going to see like pneumatics. Like, why are all those things relevant now?
People are demanding more control and more feedback and accountability, or timestamp and position and force recording. They're also trying to get away from air for environmental issues. But mostly the folks are getting just really comfortable with field buses and communicating with devices on field buses, which would include grippers.
Right, and so like this one I know is IO-Link, and that's going to give you a ton of data. And like you said, if you have that feedback, then you can record it, and you can also in real time do more control, right?
Exactly. This will give you pre-positioned fingers, so you can start shaving off time as far as not waiting for the gripper. You can move it while it's traversing, that
nice.
kind of
That's
thing.
Cool. So instead of like having to go from like 2 inches down to something, you could be really close to the object that you're actually looking at.
And it's very repeatable.
Oh, right, okay.
Right, and then it's got force control as well. And I'll give you an example of that. We just did a very similar application where we were holding a vial. So we're holding it from the bottom as well. So we had to have a different force for that as opposed to uncapping it. So that's...
I would imagine with like just-in-time manufacturing and a bunch of different formats of vials in this application running through a machine, you can do all of those with one gripper as well.
That's the beauty of it. We looked at the stroke. Typically with a pneumatic gripper about this size, you get maybe 4 or 5 millimeters per jaw. And here you're talking 10, 13, and more. So you're just more flexible.
Awesome.
Yep.
And can people replace these grippers, or are they gonna be like buying them from you? Like, how does that typically work?
Typically, we like to help solve the application, and we have a distribution channel that we typically go through that can help with cabling or adapter plates, or that sort of thing.
Okay, so you offer the entire solution, but I know that there's pieces of this that are modular as well, right? Like they could change the fingers and make their own?
They can definitely print their own fingers. They can machine them. We have a design tool online that will help you with the shape. You'll get a CAD file that you can import, you can print, or we can do it for you.
Awesome. Cool. Well, I love this product line, and I think that it's really great that you got to show me all these today. Thank you.
I appreciate the time.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thanks.
All right.